G'day guys, how you going? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm down here once again at St George. Just come down to the river. Town's just there, literally just on the edge of town, and gonna toss a line in so we can catch a fish. So been into town, grabbed a coffee, got myself something to eat for breakfast, got a little brekkie wrap from the Delicate Cafe. Thanks Susan and the girls down there, absolute legends. And yeah, time to drop a line in so we catch fish. The bait today that we have using here, some mozzarella cheese. Got some chunks there all cut up ready to go, and these ones here are African nightcrawler worms. Been trying the European night crawlers, also some scrub worms and a few different other ones as well. And lately, because I travel so much, I've found that the African night crawlers, you don't have to store them in the refrigerator, as it says there. And this time of year, they last absolutely fantastically for up to 3 weeks. Well, that's been my findings anyway, so they've been pretty good. Put a chunk of cheese out here. See how that goes. And some wormies over there. Oh, here we go. We've got a fish on, finally. And it's a European carp. There we go. A whole morning for one dirty little European carp. That's it. So well, it's nearly time to go, and I've literally had a few bites, that's about it. And have a look at the size of the hook that fell into. The size of the hook, that's huge. I'll get him off, and that fella needs to be disposed of, so I'm going to go take care of that. There we have it guys, got one European carp for the entire morning. So getting up early was a silly mistake, but you know, sometimes it's on, sometimes it's not, and you just got to roll with the punches really. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you everybody for all the wonderful support. Hit the thumbs, leave a comment, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.